Hi, Kristine. I am committed to retake the video that didn't record on Zoom the other day when you and I were talking about blogging. So here is my second attempt, and this is just for you about what to know about how to blog for SEO on a WordPress website. So I'm going to share my screen, and we are going into TreeHive Cairo. Okay, I'm not showing the login process for security reasons, but this is the inside of your WordPress TreeHive Chiropractic website with the dashboard showing. So I am going to go to posts because those are really your blogs. And you already have blogs here. And I see your first attempt here since 2023. You have one that you started in May. Sounds like it's in draft mode. I'm going to just pretend to create a new blog. So I'm going to add a post up here next to posts. And it's kind of like a Word document, and it's not because it has less editing tools. But I already created a blog that I'm going to just paste in here. It's about finding relief from back pain with chiropractic adjustment. I'm just going to move it over to the title, and it's an H1, a heading 1 level. Oops. So I wanted to get rid of the H1, another heading here, so I'm just gonna have to like move this back to paragraph because most of the blog parts should be paragraphs, but I created more than one paragraph so I can show you how adding subheadings is also important. So finding relief from back pain, the title is a heading 1. So if we want to add headings, they would be heading 2s then. And this paragraph is about a natural non-invasive approach to relieving back pain. So I'm going to just call it a natural approach. And it could be, of course, longer. And if you wanted to add another one of the heading 2s in here, then this one is kind of like just a summary. So I'm not going to add anything. But basically, there should be a heading 1, heading 2s, and potentially heading 3s if it's a longer blog. So to help Google and other AI tools and AI search engines understand what this blog is about. So I'm going to save this as a draft. It's a shorter blog, but I'm going to save it. Of course, you can always add an image to it. So with the plus sign, you can also add not just words, but images. Like here's an image. We would plug it in here, and from the media library, I can just find a picture and plug it in there. Okay. So I'm saving this as a draft. I'm not gonna publish this, but you're welcome to use it if you want. I'm gonna just get out and look at it with the view in a desktop. Preview. Because I still want to show you one thing. You could put a picture behind this, or this is what it's gonna look like. This is what the blog looks like right now, but it's not published. If I click on Edit with Elementor, then on the right side, it's not doing what I'm asking. It's not doing what I'm asking. Okay, let's try it from here. Edit with Elementor. Sorry, what I'm looking for is the SEO settings. So here, Yoast SEO on the left side, you can plug in a focus key phrase to help have this blog be found online. So a focus key phrase would be relieving back pain with chiropractic approach. Let's look at the SEO analysis. These are the problems that it found. Key phrase in introduction is not in the first paragraph, so we should put this somewhere in the first paragraph. There are no links to go anywhere internally in the website or to connect to outside resources, so those could improve SEO. Key phrase density, the key phrase was only found one time. So it recommends it to list it at least 3 times. So which means that the key phrase could be hidden in there more. So you can add that to it. Meta description, we didn't set it. Text length, the text contains 220 words, but it likes blogs 300 plus words. But all of these are good though. There's an image, key phrase length is good, single title, images, key phrase, and everything's good with alt text. So this is where it can help you refine your blog for better SEO. So this is just a simple, short little blog, but now you see where you can set up things for better optimize a blog, okay? So I'm not going to publish, like I said. I save it as a draft. You can review changes, preview changes, and you can get back to your dashboard here in the preview page. Okay, so this post is now sitting right here as a draft, along with your draft. Okay, I hope you can use this little tutorial and it'll be helpful for future blogging. Bye.